Good afternoon. It is May the 24th, 2017, and we'll start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have over or undercompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we started out in the E-mini this morning, wanting to buy 92s to 94s. We quickly raised it to 95, and it would have taken a 97 to get in. We had a sell at 99 to 01. That produced a couple of trades right here, and produced a couple of small trades here. We just don't have anything to work with here. 96 to 2002. That is 6 points. Nobody is willing to sell it. There were a couple of articles out on Zero Hedge that one money manager, famed investor, said he's absolutely convinced that the plunge protection team is the only thing that's holding the market up. He's not playing because he doesn't know when they'll pull the plug. My guess is they can't pull the plug. So, I mean, you were scalping for a point today is what it boils down to on this contract. Higher low, higher high favors higher prices. Tomorrow. Tomorrow's news is not the stuff that moves markets, but again, I think that the market likes Trump's trip to Europe and the Middle East. It's being destroyed and picked apart by the press, as you could well manage. You can't give this guy any kind of breathing room or wriggle room. So sell failure to take out 2402. Sell 4 to 6. On the buy side, 94, 96. 90, 92. Just don't have a whole lot to work with. Tomorrow, international trade, minus 64.6B. Jobless claims, 237. Net gas inventories, last week it was plus 68B. And KC Fed at 7. I guess for want of anything else, jobless claims will be the news focus. So, not much in the way of news coming for tomorrow. We'll look to China and Europe for the news. Okay, looking at the 10-year, lower high, lower low. We can find a place to sell it. The 7-year auction is tomorrow. That probably won't work, or for not very much. We had a strong close today and a strong rally, so somebody liked treasuries today. And here we find ourselves up at 4 to 8, so selling 3 to 7. 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 25 to 29. And then 17 to 21 for buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. $24.28, number 1. Sell 31 to 03. Sell 7 to 11. Upward bias tomorrow because of the auction. 12 to 16, number 1. Buy 5 to 9. Buy 29 to 01. Gold was our best performer today, and that typically is the case. We did have a good day though trading crude, a lot of trades, and got better after the inventories hit. And the reason gold and crude work better these days is that they can actually sell, as can the bond or the note, and that's what makes for a better market. Lower high, lower low in gold. Find a place to sell it on the F1. So 58 to 60, our number 2 zone. We got to it today. Looks like we'll be a little higher in London. Sell 1. 63 to 65. Sell 2. On the buy side, 50-52, 45-47. Looking at crude, OPEC looks like the most popular cutback in, or most popular time for extending the production cuts. Quotas will be 9 months. That's what's built in. We got a low volume number here at 84. We got to it. Get through this high volume number, you're going to get to that low volume number. You don't know how long it's going to take. Get through that. We're headed up for 53.25. So this screen says find a place to buy it. If they come in with more than 9 months, market will rally further. And right now we've got a seller at 51.50, 51.75. 52 and a quarter, 52.25, sell 2. I'm going to try, like we did this morning, pick it up on a scoop, 50.75, 51. It might be a shot fired across the bow by somebody in OPEC saying, hey guys, pay attention. The price is going to go a lot lower if you don't cooperate. But I still, with all those MBAs and all those expensive overseas educations that have been purchased, it's amazing to me that they haven't figured out that the sweet spot's 8 million barrels per day for Saudi Arabia, 8.6, whatever it happens to be. I don't know what it is, but to maximize revenues, it's certainly less than 9 million barrels per day. Euro's hanging in there pretty good. We this morning we had a 12.15, 12.25 recommended sell. That was the high the last time I looked at it. Well, definitely a lower high. Looks like a little bit lower low. Find a place to sell it on the F1. And this morning in A period right there, we had a 15 to 25 sell and we got it. We were hoping to buy 75s to 85s this morning. F period, we had a low of 81, so we caught both sides. We got 2 trades out of the euro, so that's 5 of our markets that we caught one or more sides. I think 3 of them we caught both sides of the market on that early AM research. So our numbers work. They'll make you money. FOMC minutes took this market higher. And so right now, way up here at 1259. So 40 to 50 sell 1. 70 to 80 sell 2. On the assumption we'll get a little bit higher here in London off the FOMC minutes. 112 even by 1. 75 to 85 worked out pretty well for us this morning. So this AM research, if you can find a way to incorporate it into your trading, will make you money. And it's better than good information. It really is solid stuff. So we'll be hammering that all summer long. Time to wrap it up for today. I will see you all bright and early in the morning, and wish you all a great evening.